Welcome back. Ryujinx is the best emulator for you to play Switch games. So let's begin. First, go to the description box and open the first link. Now, scroll down and then go to the Releases tab. Click on it. And then now scroll down and find your operating system Windows 64-bit. So now it will start downloading. Open it when it's completed. Now go to downloads and then right click on the file and extract it here. Okay, so double click on the folder and then open the Ryujinx app. Run it. It's okay to see this error, so just close the app and then close the file explorer. Now go to the second link and the third link in the description box. So this is the product key and then you can download the latest version here. Now the firmware, also do the same and download the latest version. Okay, now it's downloaded. So now I will close Chrome and then open Downloads and then open Ryujinx again. Run it. Okay, and then now go to the actions and then install keys and install from zip. Now locate the file downloaded and select the prod keys. Click yes. Okay, so now go to actions again and locate firmware. So now locate your firmware and then also click yes. Okay, if you want to play a game, go to file and then load application from file. This you need to locate your NSP game files. So now you can see the game is running. I chose this game because I like it, and then if you have any Switch games that you like, please share it in the comment section down below. We can chat together, and then hope this video helps you guys. So now it's still loading. Okay, you can see Mario Party Superstars is running now. If you want to see more videos, please give me a like and subscribe to the channel. I will try to make more videos about it and then hope to see you guys again.